Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into ICICI Bank account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your ICICI Bank account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address icicibank.com and hit on enter, and after that you'll be redirected to the home page of ICICI, where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us. And when we hover over there are a bunch of options available for us. Now in order to log into your account, choose the category account of your account. For me it is the personal one, so I'll be clicking on personal, and let's let this page load guys. And over here guys, when the page loads, you'll be required to enter a user ID of your account, whichever may it be, and after that enter your password over here guys. And if you want to start in the dashboard, tap or click on the dashboard. But if you want to start in any of these extra accounts, then you can go through there directly from over here. And with that being done guys, after entering your user ID and password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your ICICI Bank account. But if you've forgotten your password or your user ID guys, you can simply click on either of these buttons to solve the issue by going to the retrieval page of either your username or your password. And with that being said guys, you can also log into your ICICI Bank with your mobile number. Click on the login with mobile number over here if you want to sign into your ICICI Bank with your mobile number. And over here you'll be required to enter your mobile phone number over here with which you had created an account on the bank. And after that enter this text over here for which it's for the verification purpose. And after that click on the authenticate button, and you'll be authenticated to your phone number, and you'll be able to log into your bank account with your mobile number from over here. And then guys, this is how to log into your ICICI Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.